So, hey you guys, here's a quick update as to how to upload your annotations. You can do annotations one of two ways. One is screenshots of handwritten annotations. Now remember, those annotations, you go back to Reading Apprenticeship, that slide with the yellow background, and there's all kinds of ways to annotate. Look up the background of the author, check out the vocab and write the definitions, summarize paragraphs, talk back to the author, question the author, make comments, personal observations, and then also identify the credibility of the author to make whatever argument they're saying. So there's plenty of other things too. And then, so you're going to do your annotations. When you do make the annotations, you're going to find the Google Doc just like this, but you have to access the document. So this link is not going to be accessible to you. So you're not going to be able to do anything on that document. So you have to make a copy. So go into the document. You're going to be just like this. And then you're going to file, make a copy. So there you go, make a copy. And then you'll have to change the name. And here I already changed it. So then if you want to comment on, say, this, I don't know, this sentence and say, shoot, I'm a do-gooder too. I'm a do-gooder too. So also relate to the text is another thing you can do. And then click comment. So now, then do your annotations. Make sure they're thorough and thoughtful. And then go to File and then Download. And then Microsoft Word. Just click and download it as a Microsoft Word document. Then go over to the Dropbox. So how you're going to do that is click the actual assignment. And then you're going to upload the document. So click upload and go find it. Here we are. There we go. And click open. And then click submit. So that is how you do the Google Docs.